Hello you guys, welcome to this week's breakfast meal prep video. Thanks for joining me. If you haven't been here before, my name is Molly and I do weekly breakfast and lunch meal prep videos so that I have lots of healthy meals ready to go for each day this week. So this is gonna be a breakfast casserole that I'm doing for breakfast with the holidays here and all the extra festivities. A lot of extra eating, so I want to make sure that my breakfast this week is really healthy. So this breakfast casserole will have eggs, of course, with heavy whipping cream. I'm going to have some cheddar cheese, and then I'm going to have mushrooms, frozen chopped spinach I have, and I'm going to cut up a green bell pepper. I also have this already fully cooked bacon. I love this. It's perfect for all the meal prepping. So I'm going to cook this casserole. I have my oven preheating to 350 degrees. I'll put the recipe for this in the description box if you want to make it. It's really easy, really healthy. It's also really good if you're going to do like a brunch on the weekend. It's perfect to have for your guests. So I will get this all cooking.
Okay, I'm going to use 9 eggs for this breakfast casserole. So I will crack them all into my large bowl that I'm going to use to put all of the ingredients in to mix everything together so that we can pour it into our casserole dish. Once the eggs are all in, I'm going to take my pre-cooked bacon. I just love this bacon. It's so easy. You just can put it in the microwave for a minute if you'd like to make it even more crispy like I like to do. But it's just really convenient and easy to have. So I have my pre-cooked bacon. I'm going to cut it into the small pieces with my kitchen scissors. I just love using these to make it into the small pieces that I will use for the casserole. So now I'm going to add in 1 cup of chopped spinach. So I'm using frozen chopped spinach, but you can use fresh if you like. And I have 1 cup of mushrooms, and I have chopped them up a little bit. And I have diced up about a half a cup of green bell pepper. And I have half a cup of shredded cheddar cheese. I'm going to add in 1 cup of heavy whipping cream. And I'm going to mix everything together to make sure that the eggs are mixed and all the ingredients are mixed all the way through. Once it's mixed, it'll be ready to go into our casserole dish. I'm going to spray my Pyrex baking dish with cooking spray, and it'll really help get the eggs out after it's cooked. They'll just pop right out. So I'm going to spray that, and then I'm going to add in all of the mixture of the eggs and just pour that into the pan. I'm going to cook this in the oven for about 35 minutes. It is already preheated.
All right, so the breakfast casserole is done and I've let it cool. So I'm gonna portion it into my meal prep containers. I love these, they're glass, so you can microwave this up in the morning for breakfast with these. I'll link these ones in my description. I got them on Amazon, they're the best. So I'm going to portion out my casserole for each day this week. All right, so this healthy breakfast casserole is ready to go for the week. I have it portioned out into my meal prep containers. So now each morning I can just put it in the microwave and heat it up for a little bit and it's ready to go. So check the description box for the recipe. Like I said, really healthy, tons of veggies in this one. So I will have the recipe in the description box. I'll also link my meal prep containers. They're great to have if you're gonna start meal prepping. So leave me a comment if you have any questions. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell button so that you get the notification of any other videos I post. Check out my lunch videos as well if you haven't already. And I will see you all next time. I hope that you have a great day. Bye-bye.